In RMG factories, 80% of workers are female. From the beginning, it is largely apparent that the health status of female worker is not good enough. We are textile engineers. When we visit a garment factory, we ask female workers about her daily life. And one of them is Millie. Millie has been working here since 2015. She reported that her work has led to back and joint pain, continuous headache, eye pain, and depression by working monotonously in a factory and facing sanitization issues during her periods. Sometimes sudden accidents occur. As her low job status and the nature of work affect her health, she can't take proper medical help because of her ignorance and low pay scale. Millie is not the only woman who faces this problem in Bangladesh. Almost all women suffer from lack of medical treatment when they work for a living. It may cause their unhealthy living. Almost none of the factories have facilities such as ensure service for workers' physical and mental health or sanitary napkin vending machine to provide hygiene for women workers. That's why Team MediFix decided to collaborate with industries to ensure the medical health of every single worker in an industry. After the incident in Rana Plaza, the workers' health and security is the most important priority for an industry. For working women, sanitization of periods is a major barrier in Bangladesh. Also, they suffer a lot of disease due to improper sanitization, lack of medical treatments, and continuous working make them feel depressed and have low motivation. This may cause their insufficiency and unhealthy living. As a solution, we represent MediFix. We'll fix the industry workers' health problems by providing consoling sanitary pads by vending machines and bus buttons which provide emergency medical service, as well as our online service can ensure their individual medical needs. By this startup, we will ensure the medical health of every single worker in an industry. Our business model is partnering with the factory and work for the betterment of the workers, where we provide their daily and emergency medical services to the factory subscribed with us.
We provide 5 services. First one is Oyo-type room booking service but for hospital, where factories and workers can see available hospital beds and book them in advance. Second one is Uber-like car booking service but for the ambulance, where in the emergency people can see nearby ambulance location and contact them, which will make the emergency ambulance service faster and cheaper. Third one is online doctor appointment service, where a team of doctors will give routine checkup to the factory workers and online visiting facilities will be available also. Fourth is online medical history and test result service, where all the patient history will be available and the new reports will be uploaded directly into their profile. By implementing this, the extra time workers spend for collecting and consulting with the doctors can be saved, and also the hassle of reaching to hospitals will be solved. And the last one is one-time payment services for all these facilities. The factory don't have to pay for individual service. We provide all the services as a package, which covers all the health-related issues in the industries. In addition to these services, we will set up an emergency buzzing button in the industries, which will serve as a medical treatment for sudden accidents occurring in the industry within 20 minutes. After pressing the button, our medical team will go or bring an ambulance to provide workers medical service. For women's purpose, we will set up a sanitary pad vending machine near the washroom. We know that most garment working women are not concerned about proper sanitization during menstrual cycles, mostly because of the price of the pads. The vending machine will provide them these pads at a very low cost for their conveniences. As well as we will provide counseling service and menstrual health services, especially for the women workers, to keep their mental health secure and to increase efficiency of monotonous workers.
In our revenue model, the subscription fees is paid by the factories as it is mandatory for RMG factory to maintain good and healthy environment for the workers.
Investing in worker health is more than a social responsibility, and the business benefits are proven. Every stakeholder in the RMG value chain has an important role to play to make this happen.
The cost percentage from the factory purchases and the subscription like 5 to 7% of salary of workers, which is the minimum amount from the industry after collaboration. We will start with 5 to 10 factory in a particular area with collaborating resources. Service transaction 12% MediFix, 3% agents and collaborated 85% hospitals.
We are Textile engineering students who are mostly enthusiastic about business innovation and creating a sustainable impact on the earth. Our MediFix is a 14-month-old startup currently working on mobile app development. With our solution, we focus on sanitizing women's sanitization, health during working, mental counseling for workers, and short-term we provide all the medical services by our company in both online and offline ways. It will bring efficiency, health safety, and a good working environment for both men and women. We are MediFix Easy Medical Solution on Infinity.